And that's how you fix a bumper from falling off. Hello guys, welcome back to another car repair video. I am OldManJM. This is my 2008 Ford Focus. We'll be doing a little work on it today. As you can see, got a slight problem here with the bumper cover. It won't stay up anymore. It's just too worn out in this area. It had an accident before I bought it. I bought this thing for $1,000 about a year and a half ago. I put about $1,000 into it, and I've made at least $20,000 delivering for Uber Eats and DoorDash, driving it. Put about I don't know, 19,000 miles on it. Done quite a few different repairs, most of them myself. You might want to check out my other videos. There's one about where I sprung a leak, transmission fluid leak, the transmission cooler line. It was shaking so much it rubbed against some other metal, squirting transmission fluid all over the place. It cost me about $6 to fix that. If I'd taken that to a mechanic, it would have probably cost $400 or $500. I just bought a short piece of rubber tubing, put a curly Q in it, because if I tried to, it had to bend like that, but if the tubing tried to bend like that, it would have kinked at the corner and the fluid wouldn't have been able to get through. So I had to curly Q it, and then the fluid could get through. And like I said, it cost me about $6 for the tube and for the 2 hose clamps. And it's worked perfectly ever since. That was probably 7 or 8 months ago. So look for that video on the channel. Also, I got a Mother's Day video I just filmed yesterday. I'll be putting that in the channel soon. How much money? I did a $400 challenge. I was trying to make $400 in one day. I'll post that video soon. You'll be able to see if I actually made $400 that day or not. Anyway, let's get back to the car. We're going to drill some holes. Obviously, this is a beater car. We don't really need it to look pretty. We just need it to run and drive. So we're going to fix this bumper here. We're going to jury rig it a little bit. You can see I've already used some zip ties to keep it on a little bit. It's also coming off over here, so I'll probably do that as well. Must call this my Frankenstein car, because it's going to look like Frankenstein when I get done with it here today. You'll see that in a minute. Any tighter than that. And that's how you fix a bumper from falling off. Like I said, if you cared what it looked like, you would use white zip ties. But like I said, I'd rather it look like this. It looks like Frankenstein riding down the road. Now we just do the other side. Although the other side isn't anywhere near as bad. I don't even know if I need to do the other side. What do you think, Tom? I mean, it's starting to come off. Yeah, it's fine.